Hey everyone, Tech Vibe here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get dark mode on TikTok on Android or Samsung phone like the Samsung Galaxy. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up first the TikTok app. Now, once in your TikTok app, you're going to go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon. And from here, you're going to go up top here to the three lines. From the three lines here, you're going to go to Settings and Privacy, and then you're going to scroll down until you see Display under Content and Display. And right here, you can turn on the dark mode as you can see here, just like that. Now, additionally, another way you can also do this is use your device settings. So you can have it. So whatever your device is, it's going to take that setting on automatically. So basically, if we go back into our phone and take a look at our settings, we can go to basically our settings, and then we go to our display, and then we can have, if we set a dark mode app, is going to automatically take on dark mode. Again, it's going to use the device setting here, which you can set to be automatic at certain time as well, and certain features that you can use from here. So that's how you can get dark mode for TikTok on your Android or Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your TikTok. We'll see you guys next.